hairstyle, I did some crochet passion twist. This hair, I'm gonna show you, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna show you the clips right about now. I'm gonna talk about it afterwards. So here's me doing the illusion method. So here you go. Okay, so I wanted to show you, well, I wanted to come on here and say, like, you see how you can see the rubber bands kind of like locking my hair together? So in the front, I either did two to three, I believe, individual plaits. And then when I plaited them, I would connect the plaits together. So the first row, I didn't put no rubber bands because I didn't want it to put any tension right there. So the second row has the rubber bands. So I would connect that first plait to the second plait with a rubber band, and then connect it to the next side with the rubber band again, and then braid it all back in a cornrow. Okay, you can see it. Like, if you want to replay this video, try to slow it down so you can see it, but you can see like what I'm talking about. So I wanted to come on here again so you can see what I'm talking about. So what you want to do is actually crochet one plait to each little illusion box. So you see how on the side of my head there's like two little rubber bands right here, the smallest plait. I was originally supposed to put two plaits right there, just two, and then crochet down the cornrow. But I put it too close, so don't do what I did. Do not put it too close because you don't want to put extra weight on there that you do not need. That's unnecessary. Okay, so one plait per box, and then one finger width the part after that. So it don't be too close or too bulky, because you probably really don't even need all 6 packs depending on how you want it, how full you want it, or how unfull you want it. But yeah, one finger width apart. Now we're back. Okay, so after I showed you the illusion method, this is the hair that I use. I use Lulutress Passion Twist hair, and I literally borrowed. I don't have the plastic anymore, girl, because I pre-washed this hair, and this is probably why my hair doesn't itch that much from using this hair, because girl, pre-wash your hair. Your synthetic hair, any hair, I'm telling you, it's gonna make a big, huge difference with your actual scalp. You wash it with vinegar, you let it sit for like a few hours, or if you want to, you can let it sit the entire night. You can use either apple cider vinegar or you use white vinegar. You know, the clear vinegar. But it's called white vinegar, okay? So I used that one. I used the white vinegar, and I used the regular apple cider vinegar with the mother, because I had both. And it was only a little bit left. So this hair was $8.99 per pack. I did buy 8. I ended up only using 6. Okay. I don't really know the measurements of my head. My head is not that big, I don't think. But I feel like my head is average, actually. So it's always better to buy more than less. So I would recommend at least buying 7 packs. if you want. So each little bundle comes with 12 pieces, so you can basically do the math. 12 times 6. I did take one out of one pack because I did put too many on this side and I just didn't feel like taking it out, and I put one of my plaits. But yeah, so this hair's actually been in for a couple of days. Like, I bended my hair, but I love this hair actually, and I feel like the older it gets, the more natural it starts looking. So I'm trying to remember to look at the camera because I keep looking at myself, so it looks kind of weird. But yeah, so the older it gets, the better it looks. Okay, I just absolutely love this hair. If you don't know, I did do not necessarily a big chop because I didn't cut all my hair out, but I did cut a lot of my hair, so my hair is like this long. It has been growing, but this method you're going to see, I used rubber bands after I plaited it. I didn't use rubber bands on the front part. I used rubber bands on the second row, third row, and the fourth row. That is it. And it helps to keep a grip because my front part of my hair is shorter, so it slides more. That's the reason why I did it. And I have not been feeling like any pain or anything, because usually when I would use the rubber bands in the front, girl, I feel like I'm going bald. But I low-key feel like I'm going bald anyways, but that's just another story. But yeah, I actually love this hair. Okay, I always go back to getting the passion twist because I always love the pattern of it, and I feel like it's a cute, quick style to do, especially if you do crochet. If you do crochet, only if you do crochet, it is a quick hair style. Okay, if you're doing this by hand, sis, don't. I did passion twist by hand, and I was in the bathroom almost 12 hours. I kid you not. So ever since I learned how to do the illusion method, which I got that from Styles by Mary Kay, or Mary Kay Styles, something like that. I will link her channel down below anyways. But ever since I saw that style from her, the only thing I do is crochet. I would never do individuals again in my entire life, because girl, who has the time for that? Nobody. Okay, nobody. Yeah, so I highly recommend this style. I really love it. Like I said, this is how it comes. Well, this is afterwards wash. I washed this. I literally don't sleep with a scarf on. Not anymore. I did like the first few days. I was like, yeah, I got time for that. So I haven't even been sleeping with a scarf on. This is how the hair looks. Like I said, I absolutely love it. I had it in for about a week or two. We're going on 2 weeks. I think so. Around that time. But yeah, I totally recommend it. This is a 24-inch as well, in case I didn't say that. Yeah, like I just threw all the paper away, but for a fact I know this was the 24-inch. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below. But I believe that is pretty much it. I mean, you're gonna see how I did the pattern. You see the hair. Like I said, I absolutely love the hair. This is the Passion Twist by Lulutress. Okay. So I want to keep this video short. Don't want it to be too long. I just want you to know that, girl, I really love this hair, okay? But like I said, make sure you wash it. Let's say it together. Make sure you wash it, okay? Wash your hair, unless you wanna be around here looking like a chicken, cause you stay scratching your scalp because the hair ain't washed. Girl, wash the bundle. All right, they bundles too, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.